That dude just knew where the fuck I was.
Helicopter,
There's no way.
What?
What?
Bitch ass motherfuckers pulled a helicopter out at the last minute, bro. What a bunch of bitches. Bunch of fucking hoes.
Clock's ticking, Black Ops. Close this shit down.
They're fucking scumbags, dude.
Behind you.
Yeah.
Whoa.
To your left.
Behind you again.
Only one enemy standing. Find them. End them.
No, that was a dumb idea. That was a dumb idea. Sit down! Just kidding. I apologize. I didn't mean to yell like that. I just got excited. That was like a what? A 1v5? A little 1v5 piece? No? Okay.
Alright, listen here, little boy. No, I'm just kidding.
That was good. You gotta admit. Put that on your TikTok, dog. I ain't even gonna lie. I don't care if you
What
live.
happened to our Thanksgiving dinner? None of
Yeah.
y'all